Hi! I didn't notice you were there. So I'm gonna tell you how I did this puppet invention. I just did it a while ago. So
What is it?
A popping invention.
Okay.
And if you go do that, it will pop like. Hear that? So I had my old one. I made a new one. That's why it looks like clear paper, and it's loud. This one it's broken. That's why I don't use it. And also it's old, and it's also don't make a loud pop. Guys, see? So how I made this is I'm just gonna rebuild mine. So first, diba, you have a first big sheet of paper. Then you go fold it like this. Make it straight. Mine's already with lines, so I can really make it straight like pro. So yeah, I need to straighten it up like that. Then make little lines. Then stop when you're a bit that small. So here's what it will be when you're popped. And do it like this. If it's not popped, diba, it's like this when it popped. So put it down a bit more. And now fold it like that. Then you do this, or you pull it down. It will take a lot of practice pulling it down because sometimes your paper is sticky, wet. And it will, if your paper is hard, that's kind of good because it will make a noise, plap. So it's not like popping like puppets. Puppets are a bit of a popping invention because you can hear the sound, right? But here is that you have to do it like that to pop it. So this will be a lot of fun. So have fun. Bye. Bye.
That's popping.
It's because it's like this. You can't pop it if it's at the top. So pop it down. Diba? It's like this when you pop it. Then you put it down. Stove. Turn. Then it's not fake. It's just not working. Oh my god, I'm gonna give you a badge paper. There we go. Thank you for popping. And now let's do it again. If it's fake, I'm gonna make this invention fake. Bye bye. Bye bye.